Come in, Fighter 1. Finish off the UFOs. Finish off at any cost.
Look at the signal source. Come on. Let's wipe out this nuisance right from its roots.
Time to land, guys. Now we are out of the radar range. Coco, you handle the ship from this point.
We are safe. We are safe.
Jadoo, Para is heading towards a Chinese town to create a chaos. I got to stop him.
Keep this device with you, Krishna. Once you go far away, we won't be able to communicate telepathically. We'll then text you through this.
An emergency has been declared on the entire city. Everyone, please return to your respective homes.
This is an emergency.
Hold on. This is not your mission. I order you to stop right away.
Stop blabbering into my ears.
Get out!
He's heading straight towards us.
The nuclear reactor is right next to our base. If he attacks us, then go stop him!
Now I'm a double genius.
We are bringing to you these live scenes from that military base, which has now become the target of an UFO attack.
Poor little kid Krish. Superhero is now a zero. Woohoo, woohoo. How are you feeling now? To defeat this new version of Dr. Para, you need to get yourself upgraded, my dear boy. And hey, what's this? You got totally downgraded out here.
For you, I am enough the way I am, Dr. Para.
What did I just say? I'm not the same old para anymore. And look what I've just bagged.
Target achieved. You are hereby ordered to return to base. You are unnecessarily attracting attention towards yourself.
No, not right now. I got to teach a nice lesson to that junior superhero.
Your request is being rejected. Abandon the mission right now.
Oh, shut up, you alien voice!
Kid Krish?
Give yourself up right now!
Krishna?
And then I landed here.
Everything is clear now. I had my doubts right from the beginning. No wonder Kid Krish looked so familiar to me. So you are the superhero Kid Krish. How thrilling!
Oh, my powers have become weak because of that evil Dr. Para. I am unable to transform into Kid Krish.
You just need to rest.
Only Jadoo can help me out. Oh no! Jadoo, Coco and Toto must be waiting for me.
Huh?
We are ready for takeoff now, Jadoo. Oh, looks like Krishna has gone off very far. That is why I'm unable to talk to him via telepathy. And I'm even unable to contact him through this device. Try once again, Jadoo. Krishna has replied. He is fine. Good to know that you're okay, Krishna. Jadoo, please listen to me. You guys head towards Mongolia without me, huh? But I'll meet you guys directly at Mongolia. I have the blueprint of the location at Mongolia. I need to fix that Dr. Para 2.0 first. With him around, everyone is still at risk. We can't leave you behind out here, Krishna. Please trust me, Jadoo. This is for the benefit of the mission. I need to go now. Bye. See you at Mongolia. Krishna is saying that we should all leave for Mongolia without him, and he'll meet us there. I'm not feeling comfortable about this.
Bye, Jadoo. See you in Mongolia. Yes, this is what I call a genius. Now those alien rats will walk straight into my trap.
What? Why so? What do you mean by that, Jadoo? Huh? You read what Krishna had to say. I feel we must trust him. I didn't imagine that I will ever say this, but I feel Toto is correct. Please trust Krishna, Jadoo. Huh? Let's go, Jadoo. Quick. Yes, fast. There There's nothing but sand out here, guys. Look, there's something in the sand here. That goddess's idol must be close by. Maybe I'm just panicking, but according to me, we should remain inside the ship. We can see from... Come, let's go and check out.